Cryptocurrency. It's like discovering a new language, one that speaks of decentralization and digital empowerment. Join us as we embark on a journey to demystify cryptocurrency. Together we will explore its origins, its mechanics, and its future. Using simple analogies and clear explanations, we'll break down the fundamental concepts that underpin this revolutionary technology. We'll delve into the blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrency, and understand how it ensures security and transparency. From the history of money to the intricacies of blockchain, we'll illuminate the path, guiding you step by step through the digital maze. We'll see how traditional financial systems compare to this new digital frontier. By the end of this exploration, you'll not only grasp the basics of cryptocurrency, but also begin to appreciate its potential to reshape the financial landscape as we know it. You'll see how it can empower individuals and revolutionize industries. So let's begin our adventure into the exciting world of digital currency, where the possibilities are as limitless as the digital frontier itself. Together, we'll unlock the mysteries and embrace the future. Before we delve into the complexities of cryptocurrency, let's take a step back in time. Imagine a world where the concept of money doesn't exist. Imagine a world without money. How would we manage our daily lives and transactions? How would we trade goods and services? The answer lies in the ancient practice of bartering. Welcome to the age-old system of bartering, where people directly exchange goods or services. In a barter system, people directly exchange goods or services without using money. This system was simple but had its own set of challenges. A farmer might trade a sack of grain for a pair of shoes from a cobbler. However, this required both parties to have what the other needed. This system, while simple, has inherent limitations. The biggest challenge was finding someone who had what you needed and needed what you had. Finding someone who both has what you need and needs what you have can be challenging. This is known as the double coincidence of wants. This double coincidence of wants is a major hurdle in a barter economy. It made trade cumbersome and inefficient. As societies grew more complex, the inefficiencies of bartering became increasingly apparent. People needed a more efficient way to trade. Enter money, a revolutionary concept that simplified trade and spurred economic growth. Money acted as a common medium of exchange. From shells and beads to gold and silver, various forms of money have emerged throughout history, each with its own advantages and drawbacks. This evolution paved the way for the complex financial systems we have today. What makes a seemingly ordinary object, be it a shell, a coin, or a digital token, valuable as money? The answer lies in a few key characteristics: scarcity, durability, and acceptability. Scarcity ensures that money is not readily available in abundance, preserving its value. Durability means it can withstand the test of time and use. Acceptability implies that people widely recognize and accept it as a medium of exchange. Gold, for centuries, reigned supreme as a form of money due to its inherent scarcity, durability, and universal acceptability. It served as the foundation for the gold standard, a monetary system where a country's currency was directly linked to the value of gold. However, the world was evolving and the limitations of physical money became increasingly apparent in an increasingly digital age. The digital revolution ushered in a new era of digital money. Instead of carrying bulky coins or cumbersome banknotes, people could now make transactions with the click of a button. Credit cards, online banking, and digital payment platforms gained widespread adoption, transforming the financial landscape. While this digital transformation brought convenience and efficiency, it also introduced new challenges. Centralized control emerged as a significant concern. Governments and financial institutions held significant power over this digital financial system. This centralization of power raised concerns about privacy, security, and accessibility. What if there was a way to create a digital form of money that was decentralized, secure, and accessible to all? Enter the groundbreaking innovation of blockchain technology. Section 5. Flaws in the digital fortress. The digital revolution brought undeniable convenience to finance, but it also exposed a critical flaw: centralization. Like a mighty fortress with a single point of failure, centralized digital money systems were vulnerable to attacks, manipulation, and censorship. Imagine a scenario where a government could control your money, freezing accounts or devaluing currency at will. Or picture hackers breaching a central bank's defenses, siphoning funds from millions of accounts. These are not mere dystopian fantasies, but real threats in a centralized digital world. Furthermore, access to financial services became a privilege, not a right. Millions remained unbanked, excluded from the traditional financial system. The need for a more secure, equitable, and accessible solution became increasingly apparent. This is where blockchain technology emerged as a beacon of hope, promising to revolutionize the very fabric of the financial world. Section 6. Blockchain to the rescue, a decentralized revolution. Imagine a digital ledger, distributed across countless computers worldwide, each holding an identical copy. This, in essence, is the revolutionary concept of blockchain, a decentralized and immutable record-keeping system that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Think of it as a public digital book where every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple participants. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the ledger, virtually impossible to alter or tamper with. This decentralized nature eliminates the need for a central authority, making the system more resilient and resistant to censorship or manipulation. It's like having a financial system governed by consensus, where everyone collectively ensures its integrity. Section 7. Guardians of the chain nodes, miners, and the art of consensus. In the blockchain ecosystem, nodes and miners play crucial roles in maintaining the network's security and integrity. Nodes act as guardians of the blockchain, each holding a complete copy of the ledger and constantly verifying transactions. Miners, on the other hand, are like digital gold prospectors. They compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency. This process, known as mining, is computationally intensive and requires significant energy. But it's the lifeblood of the blockchain, ensuring its security and preventing fraudulent activities. Section 8. Double spending dilemma: how blockchain secures the network. One of the most significant challenges in any digital currency system is preventing double spending, the act of spending the same digital token twice. Blockchain tackles this challenge head-on through its ingenious design. Remember the public ledger analogy? Every transaction is broadcast to the entire network and permanently recorded on the blockchain. Once a transaction is confirmed and added to a block, it cannot be reversed or altered. This immutability of the blockchain ensures that each digital token can only be spent once. It's like having a digital signature that confirms the authenticity and ownership of each transaction, preventing any attempts at double spending. Section 9. Digital gold rush: the allure and expense of cryptocurrency mining. Just like the gold rushes of the past, cryptocurrency mining has attracted a new breed of prospectors, eager to stake their claim in the digital realm. These modern-day miners are driven by the promise of substantial financial rewards and the thrill of being part of a technological revolution, seeking digital riches. These miners invest heavily in powerful computing rigs, vying for their share of the cryptocurrency rewards. The initial investment can be daunting, with high-end hardware and software required to stay competitive in this fast-paced industry. Mining cryptocurrency is no easy feat. It requires significant computational power and consumes vast amounts of energy. The process involves solving complex mathematical problems, which necessitates the use of advanced algorithms and high-performance machines. The cost of electricity, specialized hardware, and cooling systems can be substantial, creating an economic barrier to entry for individual miners. Many are forced to join mining pools or large-scale operations to share the costs and increase their chances of success. Yet the allure of mining persists. The potential to earn cryptocurrency rewards, coupled with the excitement of contributing to a revolutionary technology, continues to attract miners worldwide. The sense of community and shared purpose among miners also adds to the appeal. This digital gold rush is a testament to the transformative potential of blockchain technology and the enduring human spirit of innovation and exploration. The decentralized nature of blockchain offers a new frontier for those willing to take risks and push the boundaries of what's possible. In the next chapter, we'll delve deeper into the life of a cryptocurrency miner, exploring the challenges they face, the rewards they seek, and the potential impact of blockchain technology on the global economy. We'll look at the day-to-day operations, the technical hurdles, and the personal stories of those who have dedicated their lives to this digital pursuit. Stay tuned for more insights into this exciting and ever-evolving digital frontier. The journey of cryptocurrency mining is just beginning, and its implications for the future are vast and profound.